I see him. I got you. Thank you. He'll be all right.
Oh yes. So how much on 7? Me too.
That should be good.
Why are you in jeans? You go, baby. Ah, that's right.
Okay, thank you. Have a good one. Yeah, man. It's been a couple weeks since I recorded the last video. Had a lot going on. But how y'all been? I feel like everybody just moving the same now. Just work. Trying to keep up. A little busy. Ooh, that smells bad. Oh, it's a game tonight too. Take your time, man. Take your time. Who y'all got winning the finals, man? Personally, I don't want the Knicks to win, I ain't gonna lie. So I feel like I'm pulling for Timberwolves right now, because I'm a fan of Ant, even though he knocked out my favorite player, Raggedy. I've been tough. Strong time. Whoa. The Knicks not winning though. And who else? OKC might win it. What's the other team? OKC, the Knicks, the the Timberwolves. What's the other team? The Knicks, the Timberwolves, the Thunder, and who else? I could not remember. Why I'm blanking out like that? buddy? I was going the whole wrong way. What was that? What the fuck? I hope y'all been thinking about my question I asked, because I still don't know what I'm getting next. I don't know what to do. I ain't gonna ask it again, though. What is your first video watching, though? Let me ask. So look, my next whip, I'm already looking at it, or I'm already looking for it. I done had this for like 2 years and some change. I think I want to go C706. Come on, cuz. Quiet mode now, but I'm not sure because I think I want to go C706. We're gonna chill out for a second. Oh, here you come. Come on, Cash. C706. What I'm leaning towards. If it's a better car under like around like 70 to 80 grand, better than C706, y'all drop it in the comments, let me know. And if y'all see somebody drop something better in the comment, y'all gonna spam that up, just like up that comment so I can focus on it, so I can actually see and consider it. Cause I don't know how soon, but as soon as I figure it out, I can make a move towards it. Just ready for something more. That I was at all these tuner jumps, and this Alpina is clean too. I need him to get off the highway. We'll clip to after that. Come on, gang, what are we on? Good, bro. Oh, they're going to see. Yeah. There's another one. It's over with. It's over with, Cash. Now he getting off. The other one just got on, though. Oh, both of them get off. Please. Please. For the money, 2 for the show. I'm kind of yapping. That's really what it's like, though. That's one. I'm getting off. Alright, cool. Now we lit. Kinda. The rain just started back though. That's one. Don't hit me. I think that's both of them. We'll be straight. One for the money. What is that? look good. Hold on. I should wave him up here. I ain't gonna do it. I just feel like, I don't know if y'all heard me ask or not, but y'all comment down below y'all dream cars and what y'all drive now, so I can see if we like in the same boat. Cause like when I was a kid, I used to want this car real bad, and I still like, I love it. But like where I plan to take things is just, it's so far past, bro. I would love to have like a drag wheel with a C7 platform though. A Z06, obviously, but yeah. I feel like I'm moving right now. Who that back there? Creeping in the back. I kinda want to go this way. Let's see. Oh. I might just gun it. I'm not gonna lie to you. I lied. Come on. There you go. Alright, what are we doing? Let me go. Get multiple shifts in if these gears weren't so long, bro. It's perfect for, you know, other activities, but I can't just, I can, but it's like it ain't gonna get them sounds that I want unless unless I got like a mile long stretch. Like, but like when I go to the drag strip, that's perfect for the long gears, for the most part, except for certain situations. Matter of fact, we're gonna go ahead and end it. If y'all stuck with the video this long, I greatly appreciate it. I'm gonna keep posting, trying to be consistent. I do got a lot on my plate right now, but I'm not gonna push YouTube to the side. So I greatly appreciate. I gotta be quiet next to the burial grounds. I greatly appreciate it if y'all made it this far. If you like the content, if you think I should continue, please, you know, like, comment, subscribe. Help me out deciding what I'm gonna get next, or what I should do, where I should go next. And like I've said in other videos, I got some collabs coming up, and hopefully the days aren't so gloomy and wet like this. But yeah, with that being said, I appreciate you guys. Please, again, like, comment, subscribe. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one, all right?